Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about usage of location object in JavaScript. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So location object contains information about the current URL. And location object is a property of the window object. So we will see the usage of it. First of all, what we will do is we will go to browser automation. From here I will use launch new Chrome, and the launch mode I will use launch new instance, and here I'll specify www.fakenamegenerator.com. I will choose the window state as maximized, and the browser instance will be stored in the browser variable. So first of all, we will see the usage of origin property of the location object. And what we will do is we will use run JavaScript function on web page. Browser instance is already selected. I will clear the comment and then I will write return location dot origin. It will return the protocol host name and port number of the URL. Result will store the output of the location dot origin. I will click on save and then I will use close web browser. Now what I will do is I will run the flow. So the execution has been completed, and now if you see that result variable, it contains the HTTPS and the host name, right? So I will click on close. Now we will take a look at reload function. So I will open this run JavaScript function on web page, and then I will remove the origin. I will keep location dot reload, right? And this time you see that I have parenthesis after the reload, which means it is a function. I will click on save. I'll put a breakpoint and click on run. And you can see that the web page has been loaded. Now I will click on run next action. And here you can see that the web page has been reloaded. I will click on run so that it closes the web browser. Next function that we have is location.replace. So what it does is it replaces the current URL with the new one. So here what I will do is I will go to replace function. Inside the double quotes I'll type https://www.google.com. I will click on save and then I will run the flow. You will see that it will first navigate to fake name generator and then it will navigate to google.com. I will run the flow again, and this time I'll put a breakpoint so that you can see it. As you can see, first it has navigated to fakenamegenerator.com and then it has navigated to google.com, right? I will click on run and execution has been completed. The next property that we want to take a look at is location.hostname. I will put location.hostname. I will click on save and run the flow. JavaScript function has been executed. I will go back to Power Automate desktop, and here you can see that we have got www.fakenamegenerator.com. That is the host name of that web page. So this is how you can use the properties and functions of location object to be able to reload the web page or to be able to navigate to another URL and get the host name and the origin. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.